Hey guys, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. By now, nilaunch na ang OSMO Pocket 4 and it's finally here. Matagal ito na pinag-uusapan at maraming beses din siyang na-leak. And finally, it's finally here and we actually have a full coverage of OSMO Pocket 4 ranging from review to news to reels. And if you want to check them out, you can go to our channel, YouTube, TikTok, and also on our website at gadgetpilipinas.net. So we just received quite a number of packages from Telesin. Special thanks to Telesin for sending over these slew of accessories for the OSMO Pocket 3 that also can be compatible for the OSMO Pocket 4. So we have here the carrying bag, filter kits. No, we have 3 variants, or actually 4 variants of filter kits right over here. Plus, they do have a new accessory, which is actually a power bank and a lens protector for the Pocket 4. So let's go ahead and unbox each of these items and give you guys a glimpse of how this will work on the Pocket 4. Alright, let's start off with this one on the white box. As I mentioned earlier, this is actually an accessory for the Pocket 3 and also for the Pocket 4. This is actually a power bank, as you can see right here, and it actually fits perfectly on the OSMO Pocket 4. And it does have also a thread at the bottom, so if you want to put this on your tripod, pwede. And again, this extends yung life ng inyong OSMO Pocket 4. So again, if you guys are getting the Pocket 4, one of the things that they improved here is yung battery life. But syempre, mas maganda kung meron kang extra na battery, which is, of course, here, just like this one from Telesin. Now, the next one that we're gonna unbox is this. No? This is, I believe, for the Pocket 4. Alright, so I finally figured it out. This is actually for the body, no? So, meron siyang notch dito sa may bandang left side and right side para sa microphone. So, what we're gonna do is, yun. Yan. So, may notch siyang ganyan. And then, it says here, surprisingly, no, nakalagay dito sa mismong case, OSMO Pocket 4, saka may /Pro. Just recently, no, nag-leak nga yung OSMO Pocket 4P, no, and probably that's for the Pro. And this seems to actually really be intended for either the 4 or for the Pro. One way to find that, that's something that we'll probably find out very soon. May mga nag-leak na mga videos about it, no. But here, so this is how it works. So you're still free to actually flip the display, and then boom, meron ka ngayon ditong extra parang ears na LED. You can turn these on if you want. So, yun, meron siyang battery. Yung isa, wala. Yun, meron. Yan, no? So, again, gives you extra, no, lights. No? Ang maganda dito is that, ito siya, no? Ang maganda dito is that you can freely move it if you want to. So, if you're going to shoot video na using the other side, no, you can just simply flip these ones, or pwedeng isa lang para kapag flip mo yung mismong pinaka-gimbal niya at sa'yo nakatingin, meron ka pa ring light, no? And you don't need to switch the lights or maybe flip it again, no, like so, no? Very good design by Telesin here, and in a way, no, modular din siya. Hindi mo kailangan tanggalin yung mga case or whatever that you already put on to your pocket. You can also change the temperature of the light. Yan. So, meron tayong mixed. Pwede mo rin taasan yung intensity if you want. You know, nababago to. This one has warm at saka cool. This one naman is just this, no, parang fluorescent style na pwede mong baguhin yung intensity. And you can turn it off by pressing these buttons. Yeah. Now let's move on to unboxing all of these filters, no, that's available for the Pocket. We have here a filter kit, HD optical glass, multi-layer coating, saka anti-scratch coating. So, tingnan natin yung pinakauna. Wow, it's multicolored. It's in pink. Oh, Ram would love this. Because right now, the OSMO Pocket 3 ng blip media is now with RAM. So, tamang-tama, no? Pwede niyang magamit to. But since this is made for both the Pocket 3 and also for the Pocket 4, pwede pa rin itong gamitin. Let's put it on the Pocket 4. Tingnan natin. Yun. So, this one is this called Cool Rose. The other filter naman is called, this is Black Diffusion. Black Diffusion. The other one naman is, looks like this is variable ND. You can change it by rotating that filter. Nababago siya, like so. And then the other one naman is CPL filter. Oh, bam. Wow. Okay, so we have 4. So kung gusto mo na extra creativity on your videos, then you can actually swap these around if you want to. There are 4 filters here in this box. Again, in pink colorway. As you can see right there. It's in pink colorway. Alright. Next is, this is another filter in a different color. Also made for either the Pocket 3 or Pocket 4. This one is a 6-point star. So kung may mga ilaw, this will actually add more drama, no, to your videos. It will turn the lights to a 6-point style na mga lights. Ayan siya. No? This is a 6-point star. Let's go and check out the other one. This naman is, I believe, ultra-wide angle. Yeah, it is. Ultra-wide angle, let's see. Ooh, there you go. Oh, that's very effective. Let's take a sample video. Oh, bam. Oh. Ayan, no? Ikot natin. Yun. And then, this is a sample without the ultra-wide filter, and this is with the ultra-wide filter. Look at that. By the way, I'm shooting this video with the D-Log, and it just works. This is probably my favorite. Don't get me wrong, kasi if you get the creator combo, it also comes with an ultra-wide angle, but this seems like it has wider angle, no, compared to the one from DJI. Props to Telesin, no, for that. And lastly, we have another one, which is an LPF filter. Pampunas, nakasama. Wow, LPF filter. Let's take a video of us putting it on. Oh, man. Wow. Really cool. Now, last but not the least is we have here the carrying bag. The same look of the one that they have for the Action 6. So if you really want to safeguard or maybe protect your OSMO Pocket to the max, if you get the OSMO Pocket, it comes naman with a carrying case like this one. Or if you get naman the creator combo, it did come with a leather case. But if you want to be able to put all of your accessories in just one carrying case, meron siya ditong handle. Maganda rin yung texture ng kanyang goma, no? Or I think this is faux leather, no? And it opens like so. At kasyang-kasya dito yung kung may carrying case ka nakasama from your OSMO Pocket, you can put it here. Then you can also put the other accessories inside as well. For example, our filters, boom, like that. And also our OSMO Pocket. Ayan, and also let's put this on para protected ang gimbal natin. Okay, so yung pala ang problema natin dito, no? Because if you already put this on, you won't be able to put the clamp on the pocket. So, ibig sabihin, if you wish to not use, or if you want to use the clamp, remove mo to, itong para sa mga, sa ilaw, no? And then put the clamp on. And there you go. We have everything here. And kasya ba lahat? Kapagkakasya ba natin to lahat? See? Yun, no? Yes, we can. At hindi pa siya ganun ka sikip. Masasarapan natin siya. Yan. Wow! Really good! It says here, enjoyable. Back to enjoyable. Back to enjoyable. Telesin. Yan. So far, yun ang mga pinadala sa atin ni Telesin, no? And we will have a written article about these accessories by Telesin. So if you are considering to jack up, no, yung collection nyo of accessories for your OSMO Pocket 3 or OSMO Pocket 4, these ones might be the one you're looking for. Again, special thanks to Telesin for sending over these accessories. Again, this has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Catch you in the next one. Bye!